And now, live in studio, offering you a fresh perspective, an unbiased perspective, different from those disconnected talking heads in the media. He's an author, a coach, a real estate and finance expert, and he's committed to teaching you how to win in any marketplace. Your host of the Real Estate Quarterback Show, Brandon Rhymes.
Hey, Brandon Rhymes here, host of the Real Estate Quarterback Show, owner of Platinum MVP Realty, and I'm here with Mark Spence, VP of Integrity Financial Services, local lender here based in Largo. And today I want to talk to you about our Ask the REQB Show segment that we have on social media. We actually had a question come in that I think would be perfect for this video to educate our listeners and viewers and followers out there. So the question came in from James on social media, and it said, hey, I'm paying rent every month, but what happens with that rent payment? Does it show up on my credit? And what are other ways that I can improve my credit?
Yeah, I mean, that's amazing because that's really a great question. Unfortunately, a lot of people have that question. The biggest thing I would tell you is, unfortunately, rent payments do not show up on credit. And obviously, we verify your rental history once you apply for a mortgage. But what I would tell you to look at trying to do is evaluate what is on your credit. Do you have any open and active lines of credit with maybe high balances? Try to keep all of your open and lines of credit with balances below 30%. That'll definitely hopefully boost your score up a little bit. If you have any collections that are out on your credit, with maybe even a small balance that you say, well, from a doctor, you owe $100 or a cable bill or something for $50. Unfortunately, if you pay that collection, it's actually going to make your score go down before it'll go back up. So if you owe a collection like that, I would encourage you not to pay it. I'm not telling you not to pay something, but in theory, if it's already on your credit, your score has already been affected, you don't want your score to go down more because you paid it from 50 to 0. The other thing I would probably tell you to look at trying to do is evaluate if you can get another open and active trade line, potentially a secured credit line. If your score is a little lower, try to go to your local lender, your local bank, see if they can give you a secured line of credit that would give you a certain amount of balance with a secured amount behind it. But then that actually doesn't show up as a secured line. It just shows up as an open revolving line of credit. So then I think if you do that, then you might be able to get some additional lines of credit from other credit providers that you potentially could get a few more. And over the next, that 6-month period, you probably see your scores are going to go up quite a bit.
Yeah, and one thing I would add is, automate the processes. We all have online banking opportunities these days, and sometimes we just forget to make the payment. But if you set it up online and do an automatic payment, you're not going to have that 30-day late that sometimes can happen because you were on a vacation and you didn't mail out the payment. So let's shift gears. We're going into 2016 now, so let's automate those processes. But and it's something else we can do again with the Real Estate Quarterback Show. We are a consumer advocate platform, so let's go ahead and offer a free credit package. If you are truly interested in taking your credit to the next level, improving your credit scores, reducing the chances of identity theft, because let's face it, hey, credit, we weren't taught it in school. There's no credit police out there, so there's a lot of misconceptions around credit. We've got a great credit expert, William Crowley, aka the Credit Magician, associated with the Real Estate Quarterback Show. So text the word credit to our consumer advocate hotline, and what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put you in touch with William. He's going to teach you 3 or 4 different things. He's going to teach you, number one, how to opt out of pre-screening. What that does, it cuts off all the junk mail that's going to come to your mailbox every month, and that's when it's just another opportunity for identity theft to happen. The guy comes by, takes your identity theft, and we've heard different stories about charging up cards and things like that. So reduce your chance of identity theft. We're also going to teach you how to get an actual free credit report. And here's a hint: it's not those guys jumping around the TV commercials, strumming the guitars, and asking for your credit card on a back-end solicitation. We're going to teach you how to get a free annual credit report. And you also have an opportunity to sit down with William. He'll come make house calls with you, come to your business, or you can meet with him at his office. So text the word credit to our consumer advocate hotline at 813-917-1894. Text credit to 813-917-1894. We're going to give you a free credit package and teach you how to improve those credit scores and build a better legacy for your family. And so we just want you to take action. So realestateradiotampa.com, integrityfinancialservices.com, and we'll put that information here at the bottom of the screen for you. So thanks so much and make it a great day.